Hi everyone, welcome back. In this AI logo maker tutorial, I will show you how to create a full logo design for your brand just one click. Login, you will find the link in the description, and this is the inside. Here we choose the industry for your logo. What your brand about? Click here, and here you find all the industry. Choose anyone you choose here. Let's choose the first one. Click here and click continue, and here we choose the templates for our logo. Let's choose the good templates style. Let's choose this, click on it and click continue. Now let's choose the coloring style. I like the blue one. Click on blue. It's the first, and click continue. Let's type the name brand or my page. I'll type my page name. Now click on continue. Choose here 3 options or 4 or over 4. Anything you like it. Let's choose the first. We click here. Let's choose this 2 and this and this. Let's click on continue. That's it. My logo now is ready. And here all the style logo maker we give me. I will choose the one. Let's look here. It's a good logo actually. Let's go back. I like this too. Let's go. This I choose this. I like it. Now we click on customize the logo, and here you can edit a style, color, anything you want with AI local logo maker. Here we choose the under style or this my full logo packages. You can local logo maker give your logo in mockups, t-shirts, website, anything your page looks like. This is my cart business. This is my logo. This is the cards, and here it's in the t-shirts. It's a logo maker. It's one of best AI logo maker in 2026. Let's choose under style. Let's go here, and here all the style logo created. And we click in layout. Hairstyle, other styles. Style. Let's click here, and here we can choose the background for your logo. You can change it in here. We click here to the background layer. The background here you can choose the colors. I don't like this. And that's it. You can download your logo, or click on here. Here you can find the mockups for your logo. All the mockups, t-shirt, website, anything you like it. Click on website. This is your logo design on your website looks like. It's a clear and nice website. And that's it in this tutorial. And if you want to try AI logo maker and create your first logo, you'll find the link in the description, and see you the next one.